Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. Myself Vishnu and we studying in Saving District College of today's subject is biology for engineers. Topic ecolocation. Now let's begin with our topic. Introduction to echolocation. It's a good topic in biology of engineers. Echolocation is a biological sonar used by various animals to navigate and locate the prey or food. This technique involves emitting sound waves and interrupting the echoes that bounce back from objects. It is primarily used by animals such as bats, dolphins, certain species of birds, and many types of birds. Echolocation is also used in ships. Echolocation is a biological sonar used by some animals to navigate and locate objects such as ships or different objects. It involves emitting sound waves and interrupting the echoes that bounce back to them. This is remarkable adaptation allows species to thrive in various environments, particularly in darkness. Now, let's see how echolocation works in humans or dolphins or different types of animals. Echolocation begins with the production of sound waves, often through vocalizations or clicks. These sound waves travel through the environment and hit objects, creating echoes. The animal then listens to these echoes to determine the distance, size, shape of the object. How echolocation works. Animals produce sound waves through various means such as clicking and vocalizing. These sound waves travel through the environment until they encounter an object. The returning echoes are analyzed by the animal's auditory system to determine distance and shape. Animals that use echolocation. Bats are perhaps the most well-known echolocators using high-efficiency sounds to navigate in complete darkness. Dolphins and other situation ocean also rely on echolocation for hunting, communication underwater. Certain species of birds, such as oil birds and swiftleads, utilize echolocation to navigate through dark curves. Species that use echolocation. Bats are one of the most well-known users of echolocation, utilizing it for hunting, navigations. Dolphins or certain types of whales also rely on echolocation to find food, communicate. Some species of birds like oil birds and swiftlets use echolocation to navigate in dark environments. The science behind echolocation. Echolocation relies on the principles of sound wave propagation and reflection. The speed of sound in air, about 343 meters per second, allows animals to calculate distance based on timing. Variations in echoes can provide information about the texture and composition of objects. Echolocation experiment exploring sound waves. The science behind sound production. Echolocation sounds can range from high frequency clicks to low frequency calls. The frequency and duration of sounds can influence the effectiveness of the sound production mechanisms vary widely among species adapt to their specific needs. Echolocation in bats. Bats emit a series of high efficiency calls that are specific to their species and environment. They can defeat objects as small as mouth from several feet away using finely tuned auditory systems. Birds are capable of adjusting their calls based on the surrounding environment to enhance their hunting efficiency. Interpretations of echoes. Echoes provide critical information about the size, shape, and distance of the objects that we have in the surrounding. Size of the object, shape of the objects. The brain processes the timing and intensity of the returning sound waves to create a mental map. This complex interpretations allows animals to navigate and effectively in their environment. So interpretation of echoes. Echolocation is also used by the dolphins. Echolocation in dolphins. Dolphins produce clicks and whistles to create a detailed schematic map of their surroundings. The sound waves can travel long distances in water, allowing dolphins to locate accurately about the food accurately, finding its food accurately. They also use echolocation for social interaction and communication within the pods. Echolocation in humans. While humans do not naturally use echolocation, some individuals can develop similar abilities. People who are visually impaired may enhance their auditory skills to navigate their surroundings. Techniques such as echolocation training can be help improve spatial awareness in such individuals. The role of echolocation in navigation. Echolocation helps animals navigate through complex environments such as dense forest or dark waves by interrupting echoes. Animals can avoid obstacles and find their way to food sources. This adaptation is crucial for survival, especially in habits where vision is limited. Human applications of echolocation. Researchers have studied echolocation to develop technologies from navigation and obstacle detection. Some visually impaired individuals have learned to use echolocating techniques to enhance their spatial awareness. Emerging technologies such as sonar and ultrasonic sensors are inspired by the principles of echolocation in applications of echolocation. Human applications of echolocation are more. Researchers have studied echolocation to develop technologies or navigation and obstacle detection. Some visually impaired individuals have learned to use echolocating techniques to enhance their spatial awareness. Emerging technologies such as sonar and ultrasonic sensor are inspired by the principles of echolocation. That's for the human applications of echolocation. Limitations of echolocation. Echolocation is not universally effective. It depends on environmental conditions like noise, obstacles. Certain materials can absorb or detect sound of echolocation waves, rendering accurate detection of echolocation in the surrounding environment. Animals may also face challenges in interrupting complex echoes when multiple objects are present. Conservation efforts. Protecting the natural habitats of echolocation dependent species is crucial for their survival in the nature. So protecting the echolocation is good. Conservation initiates aim to reduce noise pollution and habitat destruction. Raising awareness about the importance of these species can promote better environmental practices in the future days and having conserving the echolocation for future conclusion and future research. Echolocation is a fascinating adaptation that showcases the ingenuity of evolution in various species. Ongoing research continues to uncover the complexities and variations of echolocation across different animals. Understanding echolocation can inspire advancements in technology and improve accessibility for those with special impairments. Ongoing research aims to deepen our understanding of echolocation mechanisms and their applications. Innovations inspired by echolocation could lead to advancements in navigation and communication technologies. The study of echolocation continues to reveal insights into animal behavior and environmental interactions. Thank you. This is for about the topic echolocation.